Hello friends, so welcome to the YouTube channel Intellectual Buddy. So today we will be talking about Reliance rights issue. So already as you are aware that the company has floated a rights issue into the market. So mainly we will be talking about this rights issue, why they are important, how you can invest in them, and what are the procedures by which you can apply into this rights issue. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So friends, let's start about rights issue. So what are rights issue? So whenever the company wants to source money from the market, so they think of raising it through IPO and rights issue as well. So in earlier years as well, there are many companies like Vodafone and Airtel. They have also brought rights issue and raised money in this form from the market. So why Reliance has brought a rights issue? So one of the main reasons could be that the company has a vision of getting debt free by the year 2021, and this is one way in which they can actually lower their debt and raise money from the market. A rights issue is one of the cheapest way and a cheapest source of raising money from the market because it doesn't include any underwriting cost and it doesn't include any advertising cost. So it is the best way in which the company can actually raise capital. Reliance has been the biggest and the best retail stock for the retailers. The stock currently is already trading at around 1470 rupees, and it has actually grown at around more than 15 to 20% CAGR through the years. And apart from that, Reliance has also grabbed 5 to 6 big deals and have actually got investment of around 78,000 crore from the international market. The big companies like Facebook, KKR, General Electric, Silver Lake, all these companies have already invested 78,000 in Geo platforms, not in Reliance Industries. But yes, in a whole, Reliance Industries is the parent company, and whatever money which is going into Geo platforms, the parent company will always be Reliance Industries. Adding to that, there are companies like Aramco and British Petroleum. They have also committed investments, and maybe they will be exercising their deals by the end of 2021. So all these big companies, they are actually showing interest and trust into Reliance. If I talk about the future prospects of the company, so all the prospects look very good, and the company will only gain strength in the time to come. So let's talk about that how can we apply into this rights issue. So first of all, what is the price of the rights issue? The price at which the Reliance have decided of the right issue is 1257. So 1257 is the price if anybody who is entitled and exercise their rights, they have to give 25% of this issue price. So 25% of the issue price is 314 rupees. So let's say if you have 30 shares of Reliance Industries, so for every 15 shares, you are entitled to get actually one share. So if you have 30 shares, then you are entitled to actually take 2 shares of this Reliance rights issue. So for these 2 shares, you have to shell out 314 into 2. That comes out to be 628. So you have to shell out 628 rupees in the first payment for the rights of this rights issue. So in a way, it is a win-win situation for you because you don't have to pay fully for this rights. You only have to pay 25% of the share price, and rest 75% have to be paid in the future. If you have partly paid entitled share of the Reliance Industries into your demat account, you can pay the rest of the 75% in the time or in the time when the board decides they want to actually convert it into a fully paid share. So if you are a Reliance shareholder, so there are basically three options which are with you. One option is that you exercise your rights. Second, you renounce your shares. That means that you don't want to exercise your right and you want to renounce, you want to sell those shares to anyone who wants to actually purchase those. So that is second option. So currently RE is trading at around 210 rupees. So tomorrow if you want to renounce your share, tomorrow if you want to sell your share or renounce your share, so the price which you will be getting for that right is around 210 according to the current trading price which is showing into the market. Third which you can do is you do nothing, but tomorrow the price fluctuates. If it goes up, and if it goes down, then your average price will be affected. So now we will be talking about that how you can apply into this Reliance rights issue. So Reliance has brought these two procedures in which from which you can actually apply for these rights. One is through ASBA process. This process is through the banking channel. So if you have your account in ICICI, HDFC or in any private banking sector or even in PSUs, so you have to just go and visit their website and log in into an internet banking account. So when you just log in, and there would be there in any corner you will be seeing a pop-up or a window which shows you or which takes you to the page through which you can apply to this rights issue. So there will be some declarations like what is your trading account number, what is your DP name, and what is your DP ID, and other requirements. Whatever you have to actually fulfill all these requirements and sign, assure this declaration, and in this way you can actually participate in this rights issue. So this is one process, that is ASBA, and the second process is if you doesn't have your login internet banking password, then in your email ID you have already got all the details. You have to take printout of these details. You have to fill everything. After filling all the details, you have to send it to them through courier. Second method is through RWAP. This is another route or another channel through which you can actually apply. So they have their separate link and separate website in which they take all your information, how much rights you are entitled to actually exercise, and by clicking into all these steps one by one you can apply into this right. So now comes the next question. The question is that only the shareholders of the Reliance Industry, they can actually only invest in the rights issue, or people who doesn't hold the shares or have bought the shares after 14th of May can also apply for this rights issue. So we will be taking this. So yes, who don't hold these shares into their demat account, they can also apply through it by buying the Reliance entitlement. So basically, this is the first time that the entitlement is being traded into the share market, and currently the price at which they are being traded is around 200 or 210. So currently, whoever is not actually investing, the shareholders, they are announcing, and whoever they want to buy, they are bidding for it. So the price at which they are actually the entitlement is trading is at around 210. So tomorrow, if you want to invest in this company, so this is the best way and the best time in which you can actually invest, because you are getting a share at around 200 or 210 rupees, and the part payment of 25%, that comes out to be around 314. If you add both of these prices, so it comes out to be around 520, and the rest of the amount of the shares that has to be paid in the later part of this year and the mid part of 2021. So even if you look at the time value of money, in that way also, this is the best way in which you can actually invest in this company. So this is the last part of the video in which I will be giving you my advice. So my advice would be that if you have funds and want to invest in share market, and so this is the best time, and you can actually invest in rights issue as well. In fact, the stock is trading right now. The stock is trading at around 1470, but I see in the time 2 or 3 years the stock has that potential to cross 2000. So in fact, those who doesn't hold the shares, they can also invest in the rights entitlement and buy the share through this route. So those who already have these shares in their account and they have these rights as well, so I think they should exercise it, because in this way you have to just pay 25%, and the rest of the amount has to be taken or to be given in the later part of 20 and 21. So in fact, in this way you will be owning a share only by paying partly for the share. And for those who doesn't have this share into their account, they can also this is the best way in which they can also participate, and they can also buy the Reliance rights entitlement and become a part of this growing company. So thank you so much for listening to this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and you can also subscribe the channel so that I can bring such informative videos in future as well. Thank you.